Nobody likes it when the cable goes out, or the internet is down, or there's a lot of static on a long-distance call. And you like it even less when you have to wait on hold to report the problem. SmartHub makes it easy to report service issues so everything is back up and running as quickly as possible. This video shows you how to do it from your iPhone. From the SmartHub home screen, tap the Trouble Tickets icon. Tap Report a Problem. Tap Choose a Type. Select the affected service. In this case, the internet is down. Tap Choose a Problem. Now, select your specific issue. Here, you can't connect to the internet. Next, enter your name and phone number. Your provider may need more information from you to fix the problem. Since you've entered your phone number, your provider can easily contact you. Tap or slide this switch to be notified once the problem is solved. And now it's time for comments. Type anything useful. Information such as when the problem started or what you've done to try and fix it. Tap Submit. A message displays indicating you've successfully reported your problem. And back at your provider, a customer service rep is automatically alerted of the problem you reported, and someone is now working to get everything back up and running. Now, say later on you wanted to check the status of that trouble ticket. Tap Trouble Tickets. And then tap the trouble ticket to see specific details. Updates will most often appear here in the company comments field. You may also see an appointment time listed depending on the issue and its solution. Looks like they're getting closer to solving this one. Here's a recap. Report a problem with your service by accessing and then submitting this form. Check back for updates on your trouble ticket. Thanks for watching this SmartHub Smart Clip. You've just seen how to report a service issue with your iPhone. If you'd like more information on how to take advantage of SmartHub's many capabilities, contact your SmartHub provider.